The problem of being is one of the most important and difficult issues in philosophy. What is being? What is its essence? What is primary, being or consciousness? This question is regarded as a central problem in philosophy. A vast constellation of philosophers has struggled with this and other problems connected with being since ancient times, beginning, for example, with Parmenides in 5th century BC. Yet, the issue has remained unresolved despite more than 2000 years of inquiry. The book of Genesis begins with the theme of being. Hegel also devoted a great attention to the problem of being, and the first part of his Science of Logic is likewise a doctrine of being. Hegel comes to the conclusion that nothing can be said about pure being. It's empty. It possesses no properties. It is the most abstract category of all. Being is nothing, and nothing is being. This is the idea to which Hegel arrives at the very beginning of his Science of Logic. A similar conclusion is reached by Heidegger at the end of his Being and Time. But what if being itself is consciousness? This would explain why no one can give a definitive definition of being, why it appears indefinable, empty, unknowable, and, in a certain sense, impenetrable to our cognition. In attempting to know being, we are forcing our way through an open door, trying to bite our own teeth, trying to grasp our mind with mind itself. It's like trying to see one's own eyes with one's own eyes directly, without a mirror. Being itself is that fundamental and universal consciousness written about, among others, by Australian philosopher David Chalmers. And if that is so, then the question about what is primary, idea or matter, being or thought, being or consciousness, dissolves, because being itself is consciousness. The contradiction resolves itself.